Hey everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I thought I'd do a little tutorial on how you can change your Instagram reel covers. Now, I know a lot of people have some issues with doing this, and especially with the positioning of the reel covers, so they don't actually show up on your feed like really wonky or anything. I know that changes have actually been made to Instagram reels and the Instagram feed overall in the last couple of years, so things are looking a lot different now. The feed is looking a little bit more portrait style for most people, I believe, and this can sometimes be annoying for people who want their feeds to be a little bit more aesthetic. But also I thought it was a great idea because a lot of people don't actually know how to change their reel covers and what kind of programs or platforms they can utilize to do this and really kind of take their Instagram branding to like the next level. So for this video today, I thought that I would do a bit of a walkthrough and how you can make things look a little bit more aesthetic on your Instagram feed, change those reel covers and actually make things look really cohesive overall. But for those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Kaylee and I'm a beauty and fashion photographer based near Sydney, Australia, but I'm also a content creator and I started this channel a few years ago to talk about all things business, social media, freelancing, and content creation. And as I mentioned, today's video will be a tutorial on how you can easily change your reel covers on Instagram. And I'm also really happy to announce that today's video is sponsored by PixArt. Now, for those of you who have been watching my channel over the last year or so, you'll know that I've been working with PixArt on many different projects. And PixArt is essentially an all-in-one design platform with plenty of helpful AI features. So this means that you can basically design anything you like through PixArt, and I've spoken about this before many times on my channel. If you're a content creator like me, for example, or you're a self-employed creative, there are so many different things that you can make for your social media business on PixArt. So whether it's branded invoicing, whether it's media kits, whether it's YouTube thumbnails, or whether it's goal lists or content calendars, there are literally thousands of templates you can utilize on PixArt to make your life easier. And in today's video, I'm going to be utilizing PixArt to help change my Instagram reel covers and actually show you how you can do this on the platform. Now, if you're interested in checking out PixArt for yourself, make sure to click the link in the description box below and use the code KayleePro for 10% off a yearly pro subscription. So a big thank you to PixArt for sponsoring this video again. And now we're going to really delve into how you can easily change your Instagram reel covers and kind of take your aesthetics to the next level. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so here we are in the PixArt interface and I'm going to show you how you can create some new reel covers and then replace them on Instagram. So the great thing is we have some different templates that we can pick from on PixArt, which is nice. And if you don't want to do something from scratch necessarily, you can really easily pick a template that really suits you or suits your style or your branding. And basically the first thing that I would do is go over to Instagram and then basically go over to Reel, because that will give you the dimensions that you need for that cover. Now, as I said, you can really pick a template that suits your branding, and no matter what kind of content creator you are, or even if you have a business per se, it will depend on what kind of reel cover obviously that you want. So if I scroll through here, you can see there's heaps here for if you've got like a business, like if you're selling products and things like that. For example, here, there's a really cute one for summer moments. So if you're a bit more of a travel content creator, this would be a really cute reel cover for that, or a really cute template for that. And as I scroll down here, you can even see that there's just some really cute, like little scrapbooking ones as well. But I actually really like the first one that we chose here. So just this one here. So I'm going to work off this one, and I'm just going to talk through a couple of things that might be important to know with your reel covers as well. So I really like the way that the font and the backing to that looks. I think it kind of gives it that scrapbooking feel, which I'm going to keep, but I am going to just delete the images around it as I just want a solid image in the background. That's usually how I would have my travel content, for example. So if you do go and check out my travel Instagram account, you'll see that a lot of my reels have a very similar kind of like standard photo, just because I like how that looks on the feed itself. And especially when you're looking at the post feed, not necessarily the reel feed. So I'm just going to delete those images there, and I'm going to upload an image from my photography bank and just kind of like do it as I would for my own travel content on Instagram. So if I go over to photos, and then if we click see all, I might actually have some already in here, and I might just click on this one here because it's a photo from when I recently went to New Zealand not too long ago, and I might actually just move that back in the layers. So you can just move the images back where you need it. And then I'm just gonna make this a bit bigger and kind of keep it like that. Now you can have, if you have like a heading like there is on this particular reel cover, and that's why I chose that template, because I actually do like to have a heading in the reel cover so it says what it is. It's kind of hard sometimes to know what your reel's going to be about, so I think it's always nice to have the heading in there. But I understand that it doesn't always look the most aesthetic when you're actually looking at the feed. So what I actually like to do is I like to kind of move the heading up to the top. Now, I really like to do this so it's basically nearly touching the top of the reel cover here. And I'm actually just going to change this text to visiting Taranaki, or I should say Mount Taranaki. And I'll just kind of center the text. And then that is basically how you can easily change your reel cover. You can make these as elaborate or as simple as you like. I personally like making my reel covers pretty simple and really focusing on the photography element. Now, as I was saying before, with the font being at the top of the reel cover, it actually allows you to make it disappear on the posts feed on Instagram, which will help things look a little bit more aesthetic, a little bit more pleasing to the eye, and not having like a bunch of cut off font, which can sometimes be the case when you're actually looking at the feed nowadays. But the great thing about Instagram is you can actually go in and change where you want the reel cover to sit. So I will show you how to do that in just a second. But like I said, I would just make sure that if you don't want the font to be as visible on the posts feed, but still be visible on the reels feed, make sure that it sits towards the top of the reel cover. Now I'm going to export this and now show you how you can change your reel covers in Instagram. So I'm just going to export this as a JPEG and save it as reel cover Taranaki. And I'll download that. So now I've saved it onto my computer, but I can actually access this directly from my phone with the PixArt app, and you can make these directly in the PixArt app. I often do this when I'm just in a hurry and I want to do a reel cover quickly and make it look nice. So as I said, you can easily do this on your phone as well. But as I mentioned earlier, I'm now going to show you how you can easily save this to your phone and then actually change the reel cover in Instagram. Okay, so I'm now in the PixArt app on my phone, and I'm just going to go into my recent projects. And then I'll just go to the three dots and say download and save as JPEG. And now once that's saved, I'm actually just going to head over to Instagram, go into my reel drafts, which there's a lot in here. And I think this particular reel was actually about Mount Taranaki. So once you actually get to the end of editing your reel, once it's all finished and completed, you can just press done, fill in your caption and do everything as you usually would. And you can see here where it says edit cover. And then you can easily go down to add from camera roll. And you can see that here we've got our saved edited reel cover from PixArt. And then I can just easily go over to profile grid and make sure that on the profile grid, the text actually isn't showing up. So I just like to make sure that you can see here, you can just move that up and down. So I'm actually just going to move that down so the image is really taking up most of the space there, and I want that to be the focus. And then I can press done. Then I can save draft, and I'll show you essentially how that looks. So if I go back to my own feed, you'll see here on the profile feed that my newest posts don't have the font on some of the reel covers, like this one here or this one here. And that's because I have started moving them a little bit and adjusting them so that doesn't show up. Because when Instagram actually switched over to the portrait style in the profile section, which is this section here, unfortunately, a lot of my other reel covers now that were kind of fixed to a different orientation now show some of the text. So that's what I was talking about when things don't always look that aesthetic when half the font is showing. So if I actually show you though my reel feed, these images are a little bit longer and will show you the fonts and text that I've actually used in the reel covers, so you can actually see the full amount and it looks a bit prettier, and you actually know what the reels are about that way. But basically that's what you kind of have to do, and that's the sort of technique that you would just need to use if you want to have it disappear on the main profile feed, but then still have the font on the reel feed, which is a little bit tricky, but with PixArt, like I said, it's really easy to do that, and you just have to move the font up to the top. Well, that's essentially how you can easily change your reel covers for Instagram and how you can make them look a little bit more aesthetic. Well, thank you so much for watching this video today, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do, because I'll be posting a lot more like this in future. Let me know down in the comments section below if you like to change up your Instagram reel covers and if you like to kind of make them look a little bit more aesthetic like I do. I would love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Also, another quick reminder, if you want to go and check out PixArt for yourself, make sure to click the link in the description box below and use the code KayleePro for 10% off a yearly pro subscription. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell to see all the updates in future from my channel. But thank you so much as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.